So, this is an advertisement for cat phones. It's a phone that's a cat. So now you have excuses to go into restaurants with pets. See? Oh, no. Just trolling on Facebook like a pro. And then you can play draw. It's a cat phone. See? Cat phones. Come on, draw. Up. Cat phone. Cat phone. See? And it completely sticks to the cat. Magic. Oh, I'm gonna draw something. I'm drawing on a cat. Oh, Mario's purring. He's a motorboat. Hoof. Oh, okay. Now, do you hear? Yeah, he's a motorboat. All right. Now, this is this is song pop. You can order yours though. Stay! You can order. ZombieSlayers.com/cat phone. Cat's not included. Nor is the website available. Webpage not available. Webpage not found. Then go freaking find it!
Or, you can search it and maybe something will pop up.
Do it.
I seriously think you should do it.
You can search our channel on Facebook and like us and be like, tell your friends.
Share it. Watch our videos, comment, share our videos, subscribe. And you just see a little tail moving underneath your leg. Looks like a finger. It looks like a finger.
Cat not available.
Nor is the phone right there.
No, not this phone. You're gonna need to use your own phone. And I suggest duct tape if it keeps falling off the cat.
Or glue, but that'd be bad.
Or glue. Not tested on animals.
Say bye. Say bye in my phone.
Hush your little Mario face. Oh.